Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily connect your new ONN 4K remote. So maybe something happens, it's not working or anything like that. Now the most important thing is you have to press this small button on the back of the ONN 4K device. So it's right near the HDMI cable. It's very obvious. Just go to it and then hold down the little black button for about 10 seconds. So right where you plug in the HDMI cable to the ONN 4K device, go over to it and hold this down now. And I'm going to count out when I press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so when you do that, it's going to bring you to this pairing your remote screen. And then you can just zoom in on it and you can see what you need to do. So just make sure you have new batteries in your remote. And I believe these are the ones that came with it. So these should be good to go. And then you just need to flip it over and press the back button and the home button down at the same time. So you can maybe do this with one finger or two fingers. So just hold this down just like this. And it's going to say the remote is pairing successfully or something like that. And you can see on the screen, it gave me the thumbs up. So I'm good to go now. So it's very easy to pair a remote. Just hold down that button on the 4K device, right where you plug in the HDMI. Press the back button, the home button, and it will be synced up now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.